this is our first call. So would you like to give your short introduction?
Yeah, definitely. I am Vicky and I'm talking with you from Bihar. And currently I'm pursuing my undergrad degree in English literature. And now I am in my final year.
Mhm.
And talking about nowadays, I try to communicate with different co-learner or practicing my English language. Uh, And talking about my some of hobby. So in my free time, I love to do drawing, sketching, and painting as well. That is all about me, I guess.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Would you like my introduction as well?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have done engineering in IT branch and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company and moreover I'm running my YouTube also. If I come to my hobbies, so I love drawing, dancing and traveling. That's all about me.
Our hobby match, I guess. Yeah, you also love drawing.
Yes, yes. Okay, but yeah, I don't usually get time to do all such things. But yeah, some days, especially on my weekends, I try to draw something. Okay, so you are from Bihar. May I know the district name?
Okay. So I am from Munger district.
Munger.
Yeah.
Okay, actually, I'm also from Bihar, so that's why I asked you.
In which part of the Bihar?
Bhagalpur.
It's very close to Munger, I guess.
Yeah, and in Munger also, my relatives lives there. Actually, my all relatives lives in Bihar, but my family we are living in Bhopal since very long time. So may I know about your English journey little bit? When did you start it? How did you get this idea?
It's been about 4 months, I guess. At the end of the March, I started my English journey.
Mm-hmm.
And before in the starting of my English journey, I tried to took session over English yaari app. I tried to communicate with different tutor at that time. But yeah, I also right now I also practice with different expert tutor on English area. But yeah, I try to a few day ago, like few week ago, I find that things on YouTube that it's possible to connect with co-learner also on Skype. Then I installed in my device and then talk with different co-learner also. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Nice to hear this. So how did you find this, like English Yari, as you are taking sessions over there? So how is your experience?
My experience was good, I guess, because I'm not able to construct a single sentence before 3 months. But after taking took some session over English area, so I'm able to find my mistakes and work upon them. Then I gradually improve day by day, I guess, in the
Yes.
in the part of the sentence making. Now I'm making mistakes in tenses part, preposition, and treasure verb also, and some
Mm-hmm.
of pronunciation error I do also, I guess. But yeah, I try to increase my fluency nowadays.
Yeah, yeah. And I think it depends on our practice only. Once you will practice every day like this, and you are focusing on your like weaknesses where you are lacking, and if you are working on those things, so definitely you can improve. Even I make so many mistakes, but still I try to speak more and more so that I can, rectify my mistakes where I did this thing, so that I can improve in future. So yeah, that's a good idea that if you know that where are you lacking, so that is the main thing. And yeah, with the help of tutor we get this idea, get this kind of feedback also, like yes, we can work on those things and how we can work. So yeah, it's a good. Even I had taken some session over there, that's why I have an idea.
Okay, you have YouTube channel now because
Ah,
you are recording this. Okay, because I don't know about that things. Yeah, I saw your video on YouTube, I guess. I don't remember when or what videos, but yeah, I think your face is much. I know your face previously. That's why I see your face on YouTube, I guess.
mm-hmm. Yes, I run a YouTube channel and I think it's very long time for me. Yesterday only it completed 2 years.
Nowadays, you are also work for YouTube or just doing your job or.
No, I am working on both the things. 8 to 9 hours I have to work for my office, and in my free time, you can say that I am working on YouTube as well. Okay, so like you are in last year of your college, right? So what's your future plan?
Okay. So after my these semesters, yeah, I try to prepare myself for a competitive exam
Mm-hmm.
because I want to do some government job in my life. That's why maybe.
Okay, okay, that's good. So did you ever think that you have to go in private sector or not?
In this case, I guess I'm never assume myself that I work in private sector or maybe in corporate job. That's why maybe.
Okay. Yeah, because I have seen that in our place in Bihar, most people mostly prefer government jobs only. So that's why I asked this question to you.
Yeah, nowadays there is a race between the youngster or maybe in the society. Everyone want to get the government job nowadays.
Yes, yes. And in private job, even you are doing very great job and you are earning so much, but still they will give priority to government job only. When I say my relative that I am an engineer, I'm a software engineer, and I'm working here in IT company, so still they have the like you are working in private sector. They have so they think like that.
You can say people's here stuck in a old mindset. That's why maybe it's happened because nowadays many private jobs people are doing well in a private sector also. They are earning money and spend their time in a good way, I guess. But nowadays I
Mm-hmm.
don't know why people don't expect that people respect their jobs.
Mm-hmm. But anyways, I think it like it should be according to our interest. If I'm happy in private sector, so that is okay. Like there should not be any kind of pressure on you that no, you have to go in government sector only or you have to go in private sector only. If you are comfortable and you are enjoying your work, you are satisfied with your job, so that is completely okay.
Definitely, ma'am. We can say everyone have should have different interest in their own. I want to get government job because I want to work for a government, and I know I am more capable for doing those jobs, those kind of job in a field job mainly. I don't want to spend my time over the desk. That's why maybe I wanted to get that things. Everybody have some different choice, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Okay, so okay, so can you share your journey? Like, when did you started your learning English? So, how was you before and now? What are the changes you have seen in yourself?
Sometimes when I open my gallery to watch the old videos of my English yaari,
Mm-hmm.
I laugh at myself, I guess, because in the earlier days I'm not able to pronounce many words, and I did same mistakes again and again with the same tutor, I guess. For example, tutor corrected me mistakes. I pronounced the word because in place of because I said because, maybe because of the influence of the Bihari language or maybe my native language.
Mm-hmm.
I I always pronounce because, and tutor corrected me over that things. It's not because, it's because. And another day I did same mistakes.
Okay.
That's why maybe. And I don't know why tutor tolerate me over the month doing same mistakes, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Because it's in our habit now, so it is really difficult to change something. Now we are habitual of speaking in that way, so it is really
Yeah.
difficult to change it. And yeah, it will gradually change, but yeah, it will take time. Even I know that some of the mistakes I already know that if I'll talk about me, so I usually do mistakes. Like after did we have to use like first form. I know it,
Yeah.
but I have seen that many times I use second form of the main verb after did.
Mm.
So yeah, I already know that yes, this is the correct sentence that we have to use first form, but still I use second form of the main verb. Like I will ask you, like, did you completed your graduation? like this. No, it should be like, did you complete your graduation? So yeah, because it is in my habit, so that's why. But yeah, we need to change it because in most of the places we can't say in that way. Some minor mistakes are okay, but we can't do blunder. Okay, so have you ever faced any kind of challenges or any kind of difficulties in your past that you felt that no, I should learn this language anyhow, I have to learn this.
Not like that, I guess, because I completed my schooling in a ICSE board, and
Okay.
after that I go to my high school. I study in an English medium background,
Mm-hmm.
but in Bihar we all know here is a not a English background, I guess, English speaking background, because everybody, even they don't use the proper Hindi. They if we go to the other city, we find the different accent of the Hindi language. That's why maybe. Uh, this
Mm-hmm.
kind of influence come in my English, and I wanted to what solve my problem, mainly in a pronunciation problem, because I want to change my accent mainly, uh, because after getting my government job I have to move to the different state over the India, and I have to communicate with different people. That's why I wanted to learn this language, because English is a international language nowadays. Most of the people and most of the country use this language for the communication. Uh,
Yes, yes, right. Okay, because in my past time, I have faced so many challenges because of this language. Because I have done my schooling in Hindi medium, and you know that when we complete in Hindi medium, so we have all subjects in Hindi, and we have only one subject, and we treat it like as a subject only, and we don't focus on the speaking part. Even I have done engineering, but in my college duration also, I didn't try to speak English language. Yeah, we had some seminar and kind of things in English, but we never tried to speak in English language. And ultimately, we have to come in that situation that we have to speak. In my company, it's a multinational company, so I have to speak in English only. It's my, you can say, it's a mandatory language for me. And one, like in my past, I went to Bangalore also. So there, I don't know their mother tongue, and they don't know my mother tongue. So definitely, I have to speak in English language with them. So that time I struggled a lot because it was my first time that I went there and I had to communicate in English language. So now I remember all these things, that how much I faced that time. But yeah, now I would be comfortable enough. But yeah, still I'm not getting face to face interaction, like chance to do face to face interaction. But yeah, if I'll get chance, so definitely I would like to try.
okay. Uh,
Okay, one thing.
I went Bangalore one time also, because because for my relative wedding, and I also faced this kind of difficulties over there, because every people talk in English language for communicating with different people. At that time I used broken English. That's why maybe.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you're right. Okay, do you have any question for me? You are a
Okay.
speaker like I am a tutor, and you are a learner only.
Because maybe I adapt these things every day, not every alternative day I connect with tutor. I am habitual of this, I guess. With this, I
Yes, yes,
treated everyone as a tutor in this app also.
yes. I can totally relate because I'm just seeing you, like you are just giving answers, and I'm just asking question to you because now you are
We
having.
will
Yeah,
okay, we will discuss about some topic, I guess. We will talk over any topics, and
yeah. Do